It be young Lloyd and them franchise boys, whipping it hard in them old school toys. Got my top down and my trunk got noise. We turning heads now when we pull them out. Young Lloyd and them franchise boys, whipping it hard in them old school toys. We turning heads, we turning heads. She wanna kick it in my pimped out Chevrolet. I'm 28s with the candy paint, steady gripping while I'm dipping on the interstate. Yeah, she can't wait. Top back in my beat down low, riding around the city, I don't know where to go.
It's your boy Ali, aka Teddy Girl, the hustler. I'm in a
my pimped out Chevy, baby. I'm 28s with the candy paint, steady gripping while I'm dipping on the interstate. Yeah, she can't wait.
Happy birthday, Isay. Alam mo naman yung mga advices ko sa'yo. Sundin mo lang. So, at alam ko hindi ka mawawala sa inyong mga pangarap. Sa pinagpe-pray namin sa kanya na yung health niya para magawa niya at matupad yung mga gusto niyang gawin sa buhay. And dun sa college career niya. Happy birthday. Dalaga ka na. Hindi na ka na bata. Kaya, let's go.
Sometimes close and warm, and I think
Believe in yourself kasi you are very, very capable of achieving great things. You are meant to shine in your own beautiful way. And keep showing up for your dreams, for the people that you love, and most importantly, for yourself. Kasi kahit hindi tayo lagi nagkikita or nag-uusap, I'm still someone you can always count on. I will always be here to listen and to cheer you on and be the safe space for you. So, ayun, I love you.
sometimes I feel like I'm strong. There's no fear. Sometimes this storm washes me away like sand on the shore. Today I just walk aimlessly.
Sabi nila that you can't choose your family. Pero if that's the case, bakit ko nahanap sa'yo? Nahanap ko sa'yo ang pagmamahal ng isang kaibigan at kapatid na hindi ko alam nag-exist pala. You always made me feel seen, heard, and so loved. I love you, Sai. Happiest 18th birthday to you and your family.
Anak, it's your 18th birthday. Eto na siya. So anyway, I just hope na all your wishes will come true. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagpupursige and it will never go wrong, I know. And huwag kang masyadong madi-disappoint sa mga failures. Instead, harapin mo sila ng buong tapang. God will lead you, don't worry. Happy birthday, Isay! Love na love ka namin.
Ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Isay Pascua.
Gawin mo ang alam mong tama, i-enjoy mo ang buhay mo. Lahat ng dumarating sa buhay mo, as long as kaya mong panindigan mo. Ayokong sabihin na maging best version kita kung hindi maging best version ka ng sarili mo.